What's the meaning of coot? Coot. Coot.
Coot. Coot. The word coot typically refers to a type of waterbird that is found throughout the world. These birds are characterized by their dark plumage, white bill, and distinctive frontal shield that covers part of their forehead. In addition to being known for their unusual appearance, coots are also recognized for their unique behavioral patterns, which include diving underwater to feed on aquatic plants and using their toes to paddle through the water. Overall, coots play an important role in many freshwater ecosystems and are fascinating creatures to observe both in the wild and in captivity.